Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to master Chatfuel in 2026. If you want to become confident using Chatfuel for chatbots, automation, and business growth, this guide will help you step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Chatfuel account. Next, start by exploring the main dashboard so you understand where all tools and settings are located. Now practice creating a simple chatbot by building a basic welcome message and a few automated replies. Next, learn how to use flows to structure conversations in a clear and organized way. Now experiment with automation triggers like keywords, buttons, and user actions. Next, practice adding buttons, quick replies, and links to improve user interaction. Now test your chatbot regularly using the preview feature to understand how real users will experience it. Next, study your chatbot analytics to see what works and what needs improvement. Now connect your chatbot to platforms like Facebook Messenger or Instagram to gain real-world experience. Finally, keep updating and optimizing your chatbot as you learn new features and techniques. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to master Chatfuel. With practice and consistency, you can build powerful and professional chatbots. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.